Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows successfully loaded the device driver code 41, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, here's the cause behind the problem. When you try connecting plug and play devices like printer, scanner, camera, etc. to your system, these devices push their own drivers to the system, but at times they're not able to push those drivers, or even if it pushes the drivers are not loaded instantly. In that case, you can try the following resolution. Remove the plug and play device and then uninstall the drivers. Let's say, I'll show you. Open the device manager. Let's say it was a camera. Okay, expand the camera, right click on it and uninstall the device and uninstall to remove the camera drivers altogether. Now install these camera drivers from the manufacturer's website. Okay, for example, if it was an EOS camera, okay, then you can go to the Canon website and download the EOS camera utility and install it on your system. Okay, so this is how you can solve the problem. I'll click on save as. I'll click on save as once again. The camera driver is just an example. It could be a driver for printers, especially for HP printers, or it could be drivers for some scanner. So you need to install those drivers. And if those drivers still do not work, then click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. The camera drivers will still be back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.